Nate, aren't you glad to be here?
Yes.
Yes, aren't you? Yes.
So, our teacher Danica is going to record you. So please talk and speak English. Yes? Now I want to see your maps. I want to put all of your working papers into these maps. Okay? So this will be your map. Do you remember cutouts from our student books? So we are going to work with these cutouts. I've got 4 stories, 1 story for each group. Okay? And in first 15 to 20 minutes, you are going to cut out the story, put it in the right order, stick it on the piece of paper, okay? Then, you are going to choose the leader of the group for drama club, okay? And then you will get the instructions. Did you follow? You are group number 1. Słonczek sije.
Very good. Thanks for asking. How was your day?
Of course, perfect.
Hello.
Hello, I'm Jane. How are you? Fine. Of course, perfect. So, do you like the tea?
Yes, of course.
It smells really delicious. Yes.
You?
What?
Hello.
Cool.
What's your name?
My name is Von Nickelbottom.
That's a strange name.
Yes, it
I
is.
like it. Strange name. So, what are you doing here? Are you here just for fun, or you like tea, or have She's going to And how are your kids in school? Okay. It's okay. It's okay.
It is. But you cannot eat.
It's your business.
Yes.
What about you?
I'm fine. Do you know the family is also fine? I'm building So do you know the song or you have both things?
Are they kind?
What's your lovely daughter doing? Stanford. Taking her final exams, maybe.
Aloud? Aloud? I must hear you.
Oh, thank you. How about you?
Good. They probably cost like 500 bucks.
Pounds. To you boys?
Cheers.
You something else? Everybody loves pancakes. Okay, quickly.
Who is still?
My name is Nate.
Hi, Nate.
I live in Maribor and I'm also from Maribor. I've got two older sisters.
Wow.
One is
Older and one's younger. I'm only guessing.
one
No.
is 31 and one is 26.
So you are the baby of the family.
Yeah, I'm the youngest in the family.
Very good. Okay, would you like, I think gentleman over here has not spoken yet. You're waiting for your voice.
Hello, my name is Rob and I don't have any brothers or anything.
So you're a single child. And do you enjoy being a single child?
Yes.
Very good. Anybody else who hasn't spoken yet? That's us? Okay, can I have the ball back please? Very gently. People always do that. You didn't have to throw it. Okay guys, the reason why I'm here today, Scotland. I'm waiting for you to do the very first activity for me. And guess what? It involves toilet paper. No, you're not going to the toilet. Yes, seriously. Why use paper? Why use paper if you can use toilet paper?
Block.
Okay, find the odd one out.
Is the apple of my
Find the odd one out. T-shirt, trousers, socks. Yeah. Feel my back.
Which river runs through London? The River Mersey, the River Thames, the River Severn.
No? Do you know cha-cha-cha? Did you hear? Yeah. What about samba? Salsa also? What? Tango. Very good. What about English words? English word. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. What about polka? Yes? Okay. We will try I will try to teach you today. So
Bravo, vaša
Moj rekord je presežen.
Škoda. Moj
Tuški za tekst.
Lezi, lezi, lezi. Bravo,
Pa ne storamo!
Daj, nehaj, mali.
Ne, še daj pija. To je borbeno.
poglej ti to. Odlično.
Desna noga na zeleni kljego. Tak, ja, daj!
On pa rabi vedno malo. Za minimalne, ne?
Torej, taki pa, to je pa mogoče ona tudi to imela. Pa jaz ne vem, da so imeli, recimo. Moram prav enkrat vprašati, če bo kdo vedel, še ker nima več.
Sara bo prišla prav do vrha, glej.
Živi strup je hrana. Kaj dela hrana z sladkorjem?
Jaz se spomnim, da ona skozi vas že v vodo razreče. Halo!
Dol poglej.
Stine, kak se meni?
Kinček!
Čiteljica se je bolj skregala. Sve za ovaj tu za dole, rdečega.
To ja. Pa ne sem kovita, lepo pokazala.
Tine!
Gremo, Tinček!
Še Tine, še.
Če, glej.
Fenomenalno! Še, Tine! Lara, gremo!
Čist presno.
Daj, nehaj. A ja, to sem ti naredil.
Učiteljica, snemajte klepco.
Snemam.
Rok, gremo zdaj.
Šport nekako opravičilo.
Premagaj me.
Do konc leta ima opravičilo, da ne rajiš športovati zaradi kolena, a zdaj pa tu pleže ponovi.
Aha, Rok, prej si pa htel mamo klicati, zdaj pa če ne priješ do vrha, grem jaz njo klicati.
Učiteljica, do konc ste ji prišli?
Jaz sem prišla do srčka. Bravo. Samo ne lani, predlani.
Se boste rekla?
Ja, ne bi rekla, če me bo... Ja, boš naredila. Ja, bom probala.
Učiteljica, vi grete.
Ne.
Kaj prišla do gor, zdaj pa nisem videla.
A kdo je? Klepec, kdo to zakričal pijama? Klepec!
Naslednji. Mislim, da. Zagotovo. Da si malo spočite. Boste še?
Samo učiteljica.
Kako sem se jaz stresla?
Učiteljica.
Dokot ti prišla, jaz zdaj potem na koncu srčka.
Jaz sem do srčka tudi. Jaz sem prišla. Samo
Dobro je.
učiteljica na levi strani je po tih malih, tako polno pa je teže se prije. Iz helikoptera.
Gre, vse gre v redu. Stegni noge. Stegni noge. Ajde, Eva. Desna noga gor. Še stegni noge.
Kaj si greva?
To ja, desna noga gre gor. Desna noga više. Glej kam stopi.
Vasi hodi kaj vas je.
Ja veš kako so se menijo. Grejo še. Steni noge.
Probaš, ne?
Ja, do srca.
Če gre vun, gre.
Na boljši jo privej po isti.
Roki, vzdevek smo pa dali.
Ne samo, gre gor. Noge steni.
Višje, Vasi, a ja, kaj?
To ja, opa.
Vasi, tukaj.
Tatja, tatja.
Bravo, Lana.
Se ti tresejo še noge?
Gre sta nova,
No in vmes lahko 3 slike narediš, da sem to gor potisneš.
Bravo! Dalje gor!
Glej, boš videla. Takrat so tu, zdaj sta dva že, če vidiš, vmes si sključila. Vse se sliši, kaj rečeš.
Ti si že spakirana?
Snema? Ja. Roki, samo pomaš.
Direta, vprašaj Tine, dok se to
Ajde, Lana!
A kako odbojko, s tem moto en ne... Mislim, odbojka pa pol.
Miceki, žoge tja doj nazad.
Ne, se ne stopite. Asfalt.
Ampak tukaj, da vas vidim. Hej! Kuda ste? Nabijajmo ga, Jana, daj. Bravo, Jan. Livec! Ne obupat! Bravo, bravo, bravo! Tukaj je Matic zdaj. Ja, reči mu nekaj njega zdaj.
Dajmo.
Imaš kak pas, veš? Počasi, mnogo ne previsoko vidiš. Tako. Bravo.
Pridite navijat za Matica.
Ajde, Matic!
Daj Matic.
Ajde, Matic!
Daj šoba. Daj šoba.
Super, desno je.
Daj šoba. Daj Eva. Bojka.
To je, Ana, noge se postavi. Levo je bolje. Nogi je boljši. To je, ja.
Pa nogo na desnega. Nogo na zelenega, na zelenega.
Ja sam tako ne vidi, veš, dobro, bravo.
Mato, idi do srčka. Še više. Sam do ne miši prije. Da se me.
Kaj pa vem?
Ja, boš.
Ne previsoko. Ajde, še malo. Probaj, še malo. To je, Ana.
Ajde še
Še malo, Matic, jaz sem šla nad srček.
To je, Ana. Na noge. Leva, gor.
Bravo.
Modrega, primi s levo roko, modrega. Pa nogo da više, to ja. Modrega s levo roko, modrega. To ja.
Ajde.
Bravo, Mato. Bravo, Mato.
Bravo.
Tako je boljše.
Super, vidiš, da si
Bravo.
ujel še plezanje. Zdaj pa... Se še ne snimiš, ne?
Če bo celulit dol zbilo.
Adijo.
Ne se bot, se ni daleč.
Ni danes, te. To je. Probajmo nogo dati malo više.
Na, meni to gre z noskimi, ne gre s tem.
Kaj pa to ti rumeni pri čelu?
Daj, Irena.
To je, pa desno nogo na plavega. Desno nogo malo bolj desno. Probajmo dati. Ja, desno pa plavega. To je. Ja, tako vidim. Zdaj probajmo na policija. Modri tam je. Konec.
Ne, še malo.
Daj no. Ne morem, gledaj, kam mi je slabo.
Te pa dol spustite, jo, ker jaz sem tudi paniko doživela potem gore.
Res?
Veš kaj, če jaz nisem zvihar, to mi je... Ne, slabo mi je, ne?
Dol jo spustimo.
Pa ne previsoko stopati. Z rokami se pa treba, z rokami pa...
Čak, jaz znam tudi brcnet, kaj mi mislite?
To, bravo. Levo, desno, Idemo dol pobijati. Super. Prsti stopati. Vidi. To je, velike oprinke.
Ajde, Robo! No, navijajte za novo tovarišico.
No, če se to bilo uspelo zraven narediti, evo tako se je ratalo. Evo. Leva noga, da viš tako malo. Više? Malo. Ne previsoko.
Dajmo.
Dovolj dolgo.
Ja.
Super. Samo dol pogledati na noge. Pa stegne roko.
Ja, tak. Gre pa si tako zelo povedala in gre. Kot ti se ima ti, kaj kaže?
To je v redu. Bobo.
Kaže,
Desna
kako se
noga
viša.
gre malo više, še tam je en taki cilj.
Vidiš, ko so tam? Čisto na onem robu
ja.
rumena,
Zdaj pa za
rdeča,
rumene
a na
govori.
spode, ne? Na tih spodnjih sem jaz prišla. Rdeči format več nisem mogla sveči.
Tak, ja. Na noge lepo. Samo se pravi potegniti. Gor malo.
se spukla, ko je Nejce rekel, da
O, super!
Bravo.
Bravo!
Super.
ne računa,
Aplaude, Gasker je
kaj ti
tudi
kaže na
dolgi.
jakni? Ja. Ne vem, sem tako.
Super.
Konec? Tak
To.
konec Oliver.
Super. Samo na
Ti delica, vi ste plezali?
Ja.
Zmagala je!
Srčka je prišla.
Nad srček!
Halo, no, crček.
Do Mujce, ona je tam.
Ne do muce pa ne.
Jaz sem rekla do metuljčka.
Bravo!
Bravo!
To. Bravo. To, še malo. Gori. Evo, za noge pogledat. Kaj, dosti?
Hello, the little red rosebud.
Hello, I'm a professional criminal. I'm Abby Leatherman, and this is a story of friendship. This will also be an emotional journey, just like my journey to prison.
I'm so lonely, and I don't expect that someone just opened my door. Hey Rosebud, come with me and we will watch funny movies. Whatever. Can you just get out of my house, please?
After that fight, Rain called Sunshine on her iPhone.
Oh, hello.
Hello, it's me. I was hoping if you can help me because the red rose is very lonely. Yes, okay. We'll meet you at Rosebud's house. I'll call Wayne too because we'll have a bigger support. Okay, bye.
Then, Sunshine called Win on his iPhone.
Hi. Hi, Wind. I was hoping that we could get help from you, also me and Rain, to help us actually build friends with Rosebud because she's very lonely and she needs some support. Why are you calling me? Bye. No, don't hang up! Wait. Okay, what is it? So, as I said before, Rosebud is very lonely and she needs some friends. So if you have time, we could meet at the Rosebud's house. Okay, I will come. Bye. Okay, bye.
Then, they all met at Rosebud's house because they wanted to make her happy no matter what. They knocked on her door so hard that they broke it down, just like the police did 5 years ago.
Hey, I worked for this door my whole life.
We'll buy it later. Look you, May, you're not be perfect, but you always have friends like us.
Oh, thank you, but you still paid for doors.
I will give $1 and the other two will give 2 times 0.
Friendship is important. You can't do everything alone. The end.
Hello.
please let me in? It's so cold outside. I will freeze to death if you don't let me in. I'm a dressmaker. I will make you a dress and help you if you let me in.
Okay, I'll let you in, but you have to help me with all the housework.
Okay, just let me in.
Come in. Yes, Who's now?
It's me, the fox is my brother. Can I come in, please?
Is that true?
Yes, he is my brother.
Then come in.
Thank you.
Hello, it's me. Hello, can you hear me? Is that Adele? Oh my gosh, I'm the biggest fan! No, I'm not Adele. I'm just a bear. Can you please let me in because it's really cold outside? What? Dang it! You know what? Just come in. I already have a full house. Oh, thank you. Who's now?
It's me, the rabbit. It's so cold outside. Can I go there, please?
Okay, but you are the last one.
Thank you.
Now I will tell you the plan for tomorrow. Tomorrow we all go to work. Now get some sleep. Good night. Come on, good morning guys. We have to wake up and go to work.
I think I'm sick. I will stay home.
Okay, here's a cup of tea. Go drink that and stay at home. We'll go to work. Bye, Fox. Bye, Fox.
They are such idiots. They don't know that I'm not ill.
I'm gonna eat that honey.
It's married. Another. Maybe
It's not
We're
fresh.
back from Hi. Do you feel better?
Yes, I do.
Okay, today we are having some honey for breakfast. Where is honey? Where's the honey? Who stole it? Who ate it? You! You did. I hate you guys. You all are like the liar.
She always did it. She's a bear. Bears eat honey.
No. And they lived all sadly happy ever after. The elephant's nose. Hello. What are you doing? Is this tree? I think it's a meal. I'm hiding from my mom. And what's this? What are you eating? No. What? No. These are my leaves. Okay. Sweet. And so rude. Huh? What are you doing? Are you repairing your teeth? Let me see. What's that? Of course not. I'm just washing them. And why are you washing them? My teeth are always clean. Because they aren't clean. And why they aren't clean? Just go away, please. Okay. Oh, I'm so tired. It wasn't bad. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. He's so loud. I know. So yummy. Today's so beautiful morning, right, Mr. Hippo? Yes, of course, Mrs. Giraffe. Oh. they were going to perform the Rahal and the tiger.
Far away there lived a boy called Rahul. One day, there is a tiger trapped in a wooden cage.
Hello, boy. Please, I'm so thirsty. Can you open the cage so I can get a little water?
But Tiger, if I let you out of the cage, wouldn't you eat me?
Oh, please, don't be stupid. I'm not a monster. Please, I'm so thirsty. Open the cage.
Rahul is frantic. He opens the cage, but the tiger jumps on the boy with the idea to eat him.
Wait, please, you promised.
But after the Rahul is pleading, he agrees to ask first two who come alone, and they will say, is it fair or not to eat him? The first to pass is a horse.
There was a time when I was free.
I set this tiger free and now he wants to eat me.
He rode me hard, and when I'm old, I drag a cart. Humans are very cruel. Let them eat him.
Wait, that's only one. We need another one.
The last to pass is a little girl.
Oh child, Rahil opens the cage for me, but I'm so hungry and I want to eat him. Can I or can't I? Cage? What cage? Oh, I see it. And how do you get into the cage? It's easy. Well, actually, first, the last time I came to the village to stall a lamb, people saw me and put me in this cage.
Oh, this cage is not big for you. Show me, how do you get in the cage? The tiger goes into the cage and the girl quickly closes
Hey!
the door.
Boy, never open the cage again, okay?
Okay.
You're a bad tiger.
The girl and Rahul go away together. One day, the tiger runs out of the cage.
I must revenge the girl and her heel also. Ah, I found you.
Oh no, the tiger, please.
Look behind you, tiger. Oh no, of course, please don't kill me.
Don't worry. I want to help you with kill them.
When I was 7 years old, my mama told me, don't open the tiger out. Since then,
know why. Slow it down, make it stop, or else my heart is going to pop. Because it's much, yes, it's a lot to be something I'm not. I'm a fool, out of love, because I just can't get enough.
and retriever style. So let's just begin. Here is normal style. We got three. We got normal style, bad guy, and again normal style. As you can see, they're all wearing jackets. Roshav is wearing a long scarf, and Matisse is wearing a short scarf, and Nate is also wearing a long jacket. So next is Chinese style.
Next, we have a normal style that is going to be piano.
Yana, did we lose you? Oh, here she is. Everybody has to come out. Come out, everybody. Then it's finished. Everybody comes out. Okay, thank you.
Hello, today I'm gonna represent you spring style. The first model is Ian, and he's a girl. She is a girl. She is wearing black dress, and that's all.
And red socks. And red socks.
And red and white stripes.
Her husband is Vasil. He's wearing a jacket, and below his jacket there's a suit, white suit, and shorts and hat. And on his eyes, he's got glasses.
You can't leave the stage before.
Our next model is Lana.
Lana.
Our next model is Lana. She's wearing a dress with spots and hat. And our last model is Zala. She's from 80s. She's wearing a long white scarf, pink t-shirt, pink t-shirt and long skirt. Our next model is Eva. She's wearing a red dress with flowers and a gray hat with white belt. That's all.
Come out. Everybody comes out.
Today we're going to present you a summer style. We got 3 different types of summer style. A festival style, a beach style, and a normal summer style. As you can see, this is our first model, Pia Dobroni. She's wearing a black leather jacket, a green pullover, and a red skirt. Our next model is Lara Angel. She's wearing a tiger dress and a long, colorful scarf. Our last model is Yanya. She's wearing a blonde, orange and blue dress and
yellow and yellow sunglasses.
Hello, I am the presenter. I will be presenting some fine models today. Okay, first we have Aidanya. As you can see, she is wearing a black skirt, a black bow on her face, and a generic green shirt thing. Yeah. Next, we have Yanyanya. He is wearing a Viking belt, a Viking coat, and a spring hat. He kills people. Next, we have Yu. As you can see, she is wearing clown makeup, a jacket of some animal that she killed, and an umbrella, NJA umbrella. Finally, we have the cougar Tinyanya. She has killed many people over the last 30 years. As you can see, she has that booty, and she likes spying on them ladies. And finally, me, I am the presenter. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ja, redu, tu ostane. Šibajte. Na svoj volejbol. Jajce, šibajte. Čakaj, ko se tri smeče.
Bom jaz smetal.
No, kaj delate?
Pa ne smemo se menjavati.
Ne smete se menjavati, en mora se tri.
Koliko si še?
Skoncentriraj se. Hitro bardzo brown.
Učiteljica nismo. Ne, ni prav. A številka je prav
Thank you.
Poskusi bos, mogoče bo boljše.
Idite na ta poligon. Zdaj pa idite nazaj, pa idite vi na ta...
Na konec.
Idite na ta poligon. Dobro, tu nadaljuj na tem pomagajte mu, da ga digni, ne digne glavo. Vredo, Živan, bravo!
Ti, ja?
Zdaj se pa zberite, dajte na stran.
Jasmina, to grejo vsi?
Ja, vsi, na začetek. Ja, se Irina, bodi na začetek.
Ne tako visoko noge, ja, ne tak, da po eni skačeš.
Ni tako lahko, ko zgleda. Manjše korake, tak ja.
Ja, pa dajte se nekaj kaj vidi, ja.
This starts school with 9 o'clock.
Kje zaliva njega bližo? Napačno se pogleda.
Samo senčita, da boste videli sliko.
Right.
Mogoče ne zalepite takoj, otroci, mogoče ne zalepite takoj. Če se zmotite.
Pusti, zdaj smo že do
Zdaj bomo videli, če bo Dan Titi, Dan Tomi, ki sta ja, tu sta, ki piše, still sleep.
Tu je ura 8, 28. Tu je ura 28. Kje ti so kaj? 28 ura.
Quarter.
Ja. Quarter 3.
Quarter 2:08.
Ja, tu je.
Okay.
Ja, to je škoda.
Samo radi beseda. Right? Učiteljica.
Yes?
Ko zaokrožijo okoli koša, najtežje. Od začetka. Sezujte se, če gre boljše, ja. Počasi tu?
Ne samo stisne.
Ja.
Probaj si direkt na koleno, brez hlač.
Stop. English. I forgot English.
Okay.
Just go.
Right. Right. No. Right. Yeah, no.
A little bit left.
No. Yes.
Okay,
Just
just
go that way. Go. There's nothing in front of you. Okay. Go.
A little bit left.
Okay. Go.
Left.
Go.
Left.
Stop.
Left.
Down. Go down.
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 steady, go.
Okay, go. Right. A little bit right, a little left. Yes. Go. Just go. Okay, go. Okay, and now here. Here, go. And here.
Kad ja se postavite od tam vi morate. Stop.
Turn around there.
Turn Okay, ready? Steady, go.
Turn around. Okay, left. Go left. Straight. Go right. Keep going. Right. Okay, stop. Keep going straight. No. Straight. Okay, stop. Left. Turn around. Left. Okay, stop. Get down. Okay, forward. Yeah. Keep going. Yeah. Right. Put your hand up. Yeah. Up. Yeah.